Our undergraduate students, they come in with ideas about how do I actually change the world? We say, okay, you want to change the world, and how do we do that through education?
Undergraduate students are excited about what they're doing. They have so many amazing questions that they bring forward. What I love most is taking those questions and really thinking about how I can mold their thinking and shape their thinking as they grow as a professional.
I'm proud to say that I went to Pitt. I really like the city of Pittsburgh. I think that's a big part of it too.
We have centered equity and justice as our anchors. We think bolder, brighter, and harder about education.
In comparison to some other places, our School of Education at the undergraduate level is really small, which means you get the benefit of the large university, but you're going to get individualized attention.
If you can't do that.
My cohort only has 30 people in it at most, and that's a large size for this cohort.
Everyone who I had met who had gone through the program told me that they felt more prepared because of how practical and clinical experiences they got from it. So when I was applying to the programs, I chose Exercise Science and School of Ed for that reason.
I can't think of education as being anything but personalized. I try to get to know my students individually.
They genuinely care about what goes on inside the classroom, outside the classroom.
Our students should expect that they're gonna be outside the classroom, working with people in real positions, doing real work.
When I came to tour, I fell in love with the campus immediately. You know, I just had that kind of connection where I came here and I knew that this was the right place for me.